Hey guys, in today's video I'm showing you how I did this low maintenance clip-in style using HerGivenHair Kinky straight clip-ins. So this is my braiding pattern that I'm starting with. I have my hair going straight back and I have a little leave out in the front. So I curled my clip-ins prior to installation. So here I'm using my wand curler on 356 degrees to create these tight curls. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I installed the clip-ins. I have the 16-inch Glam clip-ins in the kinky straight texture. Everything will be linked down in the description box. So this comes with 10 clips and I'm going to show you guys how I installed it. So now that I've finished installing the clip-ins, I'm now going to move on to styling the front. And for this part, I'm just going to do a simple flat twist in the front. I'm going to use my edge wax to smooth my edges and then do the flat twist. So now I'm just going to adjust my flat twist and adjust that first clip in the front so that the weft is laying behind the flat twist. I did go in and add 2 of the 2 clip wefts in the back for a little more fullness in the hair. But I love doing my hair in this style when wearing clip-ins because it's so low maintenance and you really don't have to worry about blending your own hair at all. So this has been my go-to style for wearing these clip-ins for the last few weeks. So to finish off this style, I'm just going to separate the curls and fluff to add a little more volume in the hair. Alright guys, so here are my final results. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this style. Everything I used will be linked down in the description box, as well as a coupon code that you can use to get money off for these clip-ins. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.